Today's video is going to be a DIY backyard fire pit. Lowe sponsored this video, and as Lowe's partner, I will receive a commission if you should happen to make any purchases from the link in the description. Here I started off by judging the size, and I'm going to back these off. You can see I got an old mattock, and I'm just digging away at this rock-laden dirt. So it was a little bit back-breaking work, you know. I guess if you do this kind of work every day, it's not going to be that bad, but make sure that you have some Aleve handy or something to help. This is on a slope, so the backside's about 4.5 inches deep of gravel, and it's probably over 6 inches on this front edge is what I ended up with, but I'm just gauging my depth. Now I got it all dug out, so I'm going to put the paver base in. I think I used 6 bags of paver base, and going low tech here. I don't have a tamper, so I'm just going to kind of pack it down a little bit as I go with my feet, get it close to the final stages, and then I use one of these blocks to compress it all the way around, which is not the greatest on your back, but it would have been easier. But I didn't feel like going out and buying a tamper. Now I'm going to pull the ring and actually do the tamping. I'm going to level it and go from there. This is only a tiny portion of the tamping that I did. I tamped it plenty all the way around. I put the ring back in here just to go as a guide, just to make sure that my size and shape for the base level was going to be where I wanted it. I'm happy with the results, so pull the ring back out, pull the level back out, make sure everything's where I want it. You might need a rubber mallet. It's a good idea to have one handy. I did break one of the bricks, tamping it down with a brick, but I was pretty close on the level anyway, so just a little bit of adjustments. If you know this is going to be permanent, you may want to use some of this landscaped adhesive. I did not use it though. All right, 3 layers high, and there you go. Look at the balance on that guy. And I'm happy with the end result, so now I'm going to put some lava rock in there. You may want to do this, you may not want to do it. I chose to, just to give a little bit of a barrier to where the blocks may not get as hot necessarily. I don't know. Use your own judgment, but I put, I think I had 4 bags of that I put inside this ring. And I'm going to tidy it up a little bit. Enter Mia the Wonder Dog. All right, so now let's get some wood and let's light this baby off. Be sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more DIY.